Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change background to black on TradingView. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TradingView application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TradingView application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the chart interface. For that, tap on the chart option that you can see right next to the watch list option. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the chart interface. You'll be able to view the chart over here. If you look right over here, you'll be able to find a gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, chart setting will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply scroll down. At last, you'll be able to find the option for more settings. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be able to find the settings for scales and lines. What you have to do is go back. Now you'll be able to find several settings options over here. Find the option for canvas and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the canvas interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for background. So if you want to change the background color to black, for that make sure solid option is selected in this field. Now what you have to do is tap on the color that is selected right now. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find several color options. Find the black color and tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the background will be changed to black. So that is how you change background to black on TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.